Today is video 3 in our little mini series where I give you sneak peeks at our exclusive printed vinyls, liner text, and water resistant canvases coming to sewyours.com here in December. So today I have a beautiful muted colored sunflower print for you. And I think that it looks great with our olive color milled grain faux leather. Keep in mind that the leaves do have a hint of blue tone to them, but there are other green leaves in the print here as well. But I think that pairing looks beautiful. I would also pair this with our mustard colored milled grain faux leather, so that gives you another option. And this is our new product line. Trying to remember the name. This is the caramel, or I should call it the camel color, and it's going to come to me. Saddle Soft. This is our Saddle Soft vinyl right here in the color camel. So those look really nice together as well. Next up, I have our Velvet Poppy print in our pebble texture printed vinyl. I designed this one specifically for the ladies who like to get together and have lunch together. They go all out and dress themselves in red and purple, if you know what I mean. So I was out to lunch one day with my husband and saw a group of beautiful women wearing their red and purple, which reminded me of the tote bags that I used to sell about 20 years ago with that particular color scheme that sold like hotcakes. So I decided to go ahead and design my own printed vinyl for you guys to make bags that I think are going to sell really well for you, that are geared towards those ladies who like to dress in red and purple. And I am also giving you a water resistant canvas that you could use as your lining right here. This is called Lavender Flame. So you could pair those two together if you'd like, and I went with a lighter color here so that way you could see the contents of your bag. Of course, you don't need to purchase these together. If you are in love with the canvas, then that is available for purchase separately from the vinyl. Next up, I have a couple of animal prints for you. Our animal prints sell really well, so I wanted to design a couple of my exclusive prints. So first up, we have our Mocha Cheetah print on a pebble texture vinyl. And we have our bronzed leopard print, again on a pebble texture vinyl. These are going to pair beautifully with all of our milled grain faux leathers in the neutral colors, in addition to our Savannah suedes and our Harrison suedes in the neutral tones like our beige and black and chocolate brown, our camel colors. That is all I have for today's video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's, where I show you some additional prints that are coming to sewyours.com.